15 things high-value women never do. We live in a society where we are taught to compare ourselves to those around us, and it can be hard not to feel like we're not as good as those around us. But there are some things that high-value women never do, and these things don't come down to their looks or even what they wear. These women know the value of true self-love and self-acceptance, and they refuse to live life based on other people's expectations. In this video, we are going to show you a list of 15 things high-value women never do. We highly recommend watching this video to the end for a better understanding. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos, and comment down below, "I subscribed," and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. High-value women never compare themselves to others. When you compare yourself to others, you are automatically placing yourself in a lower position. You are judging yourself based on someone else's standards, and this is not healthy at all. High-value women know their self-worth, and they don't need anyone else's opinion to see it. They don't care about what others think of them, and they refuse to waste their time on things out of their control. High-value women never judge themselves based on other people's thoughts, behaviors, or actions. Number 2. High-value women never puts someone else down in order to feel better about themselves. When you put someone else down, you're not making yourself feel better. You are only hurting the person you talk about, and this is definitely not something a high-value woman would do. Even if this means ignoring someone or blocking them out of your life, it will be better for both of you in the long run. High-value women are always looking out for others, and they would never want to hurt someone's feelings. They are always respectful and kind to others, no matter what the situation is. Number 3. High-value women never do things for the wrong reasons. They always act with integrity, and they never compromise their values. They know that if they are not happy with what they are doing, they can always change it. High-value women never do things just to please others. They do things because it makes them happy. If you're doing something only for the sake of others, then it's definitely not something a high-value woman would do. She always does things for herself, and she doesn't care about what others think of her actions. High-value women are always authentic, and they never try to be someone they're not. Number 4. High-value women never give up on their dreams and goals. A high-value woman knows what she wants in life, and she is always working towards her goals. She never gives up, no matter how hard things get. And even if she fails, she will get back up and try again. High-value women never give up on their dreams, and they know that anything is possible if they put their mind to it. They are always motivated and inspired to achieve their goals. Number 5. High-value women never let others control them. Others may try to control high-value women, but they will never let it happen. High-value women always take charge of their own lives and don't allow anyone else to tell them what to do. They are always assertive, and they know how to speak up for themselves. And even if someone is trying to control her, she won't give in. Number 6. High-value women never think less of themselves because they are not beautiful or rich. They know that there are many other things that make them beautiful and highly valued, like personality, kindness, intelligence, etc. A high-value woman would never change herself because of someone's opinion of her appearance or wealth. And even if she feels insecure about herself on some days, she knows how to work through it. High-value women know that they are beautiful inside and out, no matter what other people say. They are not defined by their looks or wealth, they are defined by their character and who they are as a person. Number 7. They never stop improving themselves. High-value women are always learning about themselves and the world around them. They are never closed-minded or stuck in their ways. And even if they don't agree with someone, they will still have an open mind when it comes to understanding the perspectives of others. They know that there is still a lot for them to learn, and this keeps them humble. A woman of high value would never stop learning, and she would always respect other people's opinions, no matter what they are. A high-value woman knows that there is always room for growth, and sometimes she might not agree with someone, but she will still have an open mind when it comes to understanding the perspectives of others. Number 8. They never forget their accomplishments. High-value women are always proud of themselves, and they never forget what they have accomplished. No matter how big or small their accomplishments may be, they always take the time to celebrate them. And they know that these accomplishments are what make them who they are. Even if their accomplishments may seem like nothing to others, it still takes a lot of courage and determination to achieve them, and high-value women know this. High-value women take the time to celebrate what makes them who they are and where they came from. Number 9. High-value women never forget their values and morals. High-value women know that their values and morals are what make them who they are. They never forget what they stand for, and they always stay true to themselves. No matter what other people say or do, high-value women will never compromise their values and morals. A woman of high value knows that it is important to stay true to herself and her beliefs, and she won't change because of someone else's opinion. She will always be compassionate and kind in every situation because that is who she is at her core. Number 10. They never give up on themselves. High-value women are always their biggest advocates, and they never give up on themselves. No matter how many times they might fall, they always get back up and continue moving forward. They know that there will be obstacles along the way, but that's what makes achieving something so rewarding. They never give up on themselves because they know that the only way to achieve something great is to keep pushing through. Number 11. A high-value woman never ignores her intuition. High-value women know that their gut feelings are always right, and they trust them. They always follow their heart and their intuition, even if it might be hard to do so. And even though they might have many doubts at first, they will go with their gut because they know that it is always right. High-value women never ignore their gut feelings and intuition because they know that it is always the best way to make a decision when it comes to something important. Number 12. They take care of the people they love. High-value women know how important it is to take care of those around them, and they will always put their loved ones first. They don't let a busy schedule interfere with seeing those people who are important to them. Taking care of people like friends and family is one of the most important things to high-value women, because they recognize that they would not be the same without those people. Number 13. High-value women never lose themselves in relationships. High-value women know that a successful relationship should make both people feel happy and fulfilled. They never allow their partner to completely take over their lives, and they stay true to who they are no matter what. High-value women will always put their happiness and their partner's happiness first because that is the only way a relationship can work out in the long run. Number 14. High-value women never let money define them. They don't base their self-worth on their financial situation or what they own. Even if they have money, they are still the same people who won't prioritize material things over spending time with the people they love. And even though high-value women are aware of how important money is, they still know that their personal worth doesn't depend on it. She knows that her self-worth comes from inside of her. No matter what she might own or not, she will always be the same person deep down. And this is something no one can take away from her. Number 15. High-value women are their own best friends. High-value women know that they deserve to be treated the best way possible, and they refuse to settle for anything less than this. They always put themselves first, because if you don't love yourself, then who will? Many high-value women have few friends or even no friends at all, because they are very selective. They know that they need to be around people who will lift them up and not bring them down. And because of this, they are their own best friends. If you have made it this far, do you agree with this list? Is there anything you believe we may have missed? Let us know in the comment section below. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.